If you're into woodworking, you should definitely own your own collection of router bits, like these ones from Tork. There are a variety of different cutting and shaping options, and are available in a range of individual bits as well as in sets of 6, 12 and 24. All the bits have a tungsten carbide tip and can cut hardwood, softwood, MDF and chipboard. On the edge profilers, a sealed ball bearing will ensure a smooth cut. It does however follow the contours of the edge, so make sure that the sides of your workpiece are smooth before getting started. Edge profiling bits are used to cut chamfers, OGs, cove, edge beading and round over decorative edges. You can also get functional bits, like flush trim bits to match up workpiece edges, rabbiting bits for making shoulder cuts, biscuit bits for joining two pieces of wood together, and slotted router bits for when you need to insert glass or boards into display cases or drawer bottoms. For bits without the ball bearing, you will need to use the router fence guide. These bits are great for dados, mortises, grooves and decorative inlays. The bits come in a convenient storage case with pictures of what the profile will look like to make selection easier. If you found this clip useful, like it or share it. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel for more product reviews like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.